GH akaba stronko enkoma obi biasa da ne da munya ebre eji edwa etie ensemo yedi ebesomo ewo too much GH efidie kasie yi eso yanyame hwa mo se da ne da munya ebre se de ye kanu mo adwentwa mode ebe nyina ne yesom ye correction bi anso so ne ye ede mamo na abusiafo ene de me de asem enam obeka se na asem ben ye enkrofo mienu ase de mo amuni mo nsem ba ye too much yamfa nkame mo da ne da ya paso ye de tumu ani se de mo susum be hu de ekoso ene de chese ye surprise ye abeku santana wa surprise ye nia be ma sakode ewo ne birthday ne de abusiafo exchange sewani ensese ye kan ede chona mo yembunra ensem no emu Ghana for se mo amunim se ye Shatawale wone sakode de wo moti adan wo maso din chese penchen wo mo ntem mo be ka ya ye sakode de fa hukumi eba ya ye Shatawale so de fa pem so ebebe bo so a chese na akwa ya afani afanto kwa we ye na ade na chese we so ye ne de ema ye Shatawale kura ko ka kire ye sa kwade se won kokko pe swimming pool na wonya ise da ne da wogina otin krofo swimming pool ho ede isa entokwa no se de mo amuni mo ntokwa no mo munim se de esi ekoye edify na ene dai ya sack nation obede pombede ne birthday na woda eda ne na eja wo mo ekopie mu wa yare sabia chim ye wo ya obebeto Ghana ne dai chese otimi rap Ghana hanum obia eni egia wo enkrofa chese wo mu looking up to him as a role model na enne kokoye na woda no ena eye abeku santana dan na woda drum o surprise no wo ade wo ye edema no ma abrantie no nani eje ho na enne dey na woda we dey surprise awode ema no na chese wo no ankasa no efum nimu na ni nyina eye se wo frɛ eye sa akɔde na chese wo ne no etwetwe komo ne no obehye no happy birthday no ka kyene se wonyina so na surprise bi the man na surprise ben ya Shatawale na abusiafo mo ma yenkotie enkomhwetwe na ekoso ne ba ye de dwumedie no ebeto aso
devoid of problems.
Amen.
Yes.
Thank you.
So how old are you today?
Oh, I've even lost count.
Hey, really?
Oh, but I'm pretty young. I'm very young.
I see.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. But we are proud of you. Today, I'll be glad today is sad day.
Thank you.
So you need to observe it.
Yes, thank you.
You have to observe today. I beg.
I will, boss. I will. I will.
So what? Are you having a celebration?
Because of this, virus situation.
Oh, Charlie, I say, baby.
Yes, everyone is staying indoor. I don't think there will be anything of that sort. So it will just be a regular day. Just that I will take time to. I'm appreciating a lot on social media.
Mm.
And they're just responding to people and just soaking in all the love and taking all the calls that I can take as well. Yes.
So for now, you are just relaxing. No more recordings, no more performances. In case it gets to December, where we enjoy our usual concerts.
Yes.
What's gonna happen? Are we gonna see a virtual concert, or you postpone till it goes down?
So there's a virtual concert coming up, before December. It's like, I'm speaking to you now, so I just might as well just talk about it. So, yes, I'm organizing that. It's not going to be far from that. And that maybe later on, I think, we should do something else. I think you think about something to do in December. If the situation is still like that, we don't have a choice. So but I'm planning a virtual concert from today, not too far from today. I just need to get the details and then I'll update.
All right. Well, I see. Well, Sakode, I have a surprise for you today. Have you had any birthday surprise yet?
You are the first person I'm actually speaking to, so I just woke up.
Okay. So I have a surprise for you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Charlie, how be?
Oh, everything cool.
Sakode, how's Shatawale on the line?
Oh, no. Why? Today's my birthday, but every birthday they buy me something. I don't know why this trip.
Ciao.
Come from America.
Ciao, that's the thing.
Boss. Boss.
I see to say.
What's my show? You have a call.
Nah.
What's about him in Tiunga?
Make us out here.
But I'm meeting.
Now,
What's about you? Washing bill. My father. You come call
okay. So our news and then the birthday, no, now, about home day, no, I'll be free.
But don't say in two kind of phone number, you can go 33 pence.
Go back, Ujina Gate in each year, social distancing, remember. Why?
Most much Andy is renting tickets on man volume.
Sorry. Sak Pacho Seka until Newana. Who important chairman Timothy?
Charles is on Tim and Kana.
I also on Tonka.
But
I've heard you also tea. I've heard you also tipa.
Otepa.
But you met a
To me, send the Maoda. So, Obabafia. Social distancing in room. So good gate na no. Na the other by be our to offer a gate in this one. Top of you. My boy never be far bread. Why?
But not both my time so.
So was sites and assistant and the terms also at Egypt. Me see me amount. Yeah, I'm so.
We now also the mama also. I didn't better not call radio so.
Oh, yeah. And there was the other casa. Why?
But some of you are from.
Nothing. Answered another day.
But what's happy birthday? Happy birthday. Let me say me a kick, bro. But on there.
And I met a whole bar, band your bit to me about our own rim because of virus. It's all tight.
No one at TV.
Why?
Let me know on a TV.
Oh, no, who watch it, but now, no, when virus needing to buy, to buy now what's what the buy and all that to feel now was answer with you. What is said now? Why?
Oh, but much your matter. The world can be happy birthday.
Charlie, man, I'm very happy that both of you are getting along like this. So, why do the fans think that you are at loggerheads? Why?
Me and Sakoria, we are actresses.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, we are actresses.
You are what? Actresses?
It's my brother and everything, you know. And this how we talk every day.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, this is our talk. That's how we, you know. So yeah, today the birthday. Today I play full stack. My snap everywhere. Today we are celebrating stack.
Today is Saturday.
Yeah, today is Saturday.
Saturday.
Yes.
Wow. Kensak, God bless you. Michelle so much. Shatawale, I'm very grateful for your time. Charlie Shatta, you Mabami Akosako, why?
Birthday.
Why? Today be your birthday.
Oh, that my boss birthday. Yeah, you know, it's a centralized birthday. Yeah. So we are all going to party today. We'll do a quarantine party.
Charlie Shatta, can I jollof? Why? And everybody did jollof. As usual. We will link up. Charlie, thank you very much for talking to us. I'm so grateful, Shatta. I'm so grateful, Sako. God bless you and make you greater. Happy birthday.
Na chese wo mu kita hudie no ekoye ekokoko si ye na chese ye big surprise pa ede manu wote Shatawale no ye yesa ewo ho no mo amuni mo no ade bi o he serious kwampo na no ahyeda afa no jovial way enti enne kokoye sa akode awoda no ye surprise abeku Santana wotimi edema yes akode ene se ye wo bia wone no enka wo bia chese wo moti adanwoma so wo mo twe ne tan akasa ebetie na ne de obeti ahwe no wonu mom ene ye de no ekokoye surprise ede ema sa akode na eno na wo de nsem we beba abontin we na ebi no mo se da bi abeku de oye ye no wa ya de papa wo kire se Ghana ye hia odo sa entokwa ne odo se shatawale we ya tiase sem entokwa na beef no eno na ma industry no ekoso show and business into the kind of show base enti no eno na ma ne koso nanso so to the extent say betimi den tawantawa omo nkasa ede enye enti se abekwetimi aka wo abom ama wo matimi akasa afidie kase so wo atwade bia ma na kasa twitwe bia ntimi amamu a waya de na eno na fans ni bi so say oh jai wey aden ahomatrofo so nti o ene wo mo nyina akasa sa na ko mo hia penche o mo sia se face to face ho na nka be hunu se wo mo a wo betwem ebetwem de obetwe ne nsa se ye kasa ye nchi a de obetwe ne nsa enso so ebetwe na so dodo na ede abasobo no ma abeku se wa ya adiem na ebiem nso so no sa akode ye ma ne surprise na wan ka se o nipa we me ne nkasa me ni nyese enti no mi mfi no nso so agitum na wo mo etimi ekasa efo so se bi na wo mo hwehwe na chese video no sa na eche odo asese abeku waka ede abo shatawale ene sakode womontem na ye pese ye de ebebetu ejama etiefo ene ahwefo munsoso muhwebi na se wo wadwintre bi efa de ekoso no ehu ebia na bibi anya wode de abeku ye no wone no enye adwen a utimi de wadwintre no eba ewo ye dwumadie ne comment section honum subscribe to your channel no na share for mabusuafo ne enuanum ewo all the social media platform obetimi follow yen ewo ye Instagram page @tomagh_meeting any equia sikapa dasene yebesanisha
too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.